Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, All Things G. My name is Gigi, and in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how I style my curly hair and the hair products that I use. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more weekly content and also turning on your post notification bell. So if you're interested, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Hey y'all, so I'm going to be showing you how I do my curly hair routine, in which I use this hair product. It's called Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls, as well as Miss Jessie's Multicultural Curls leave-in conditioner, and I use Not Your Mother's All Eyes on Me 10-in-1 hair perfector once I diffuse. So I'm gonna start off by wetting my hair. My hair gets really dry pretty quickly, and what I like to do is I section my hair off in sections. Just wet it, and I have like a silky robe because I don't like my hair getting frizzy. So let me start off because I have this side that's wet already. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in the leave-in conditioner first. Rub it through my hands and just rake it through my hair. And also forgot to mention, I have like kind of like a, it's not really a Denman brush, it's like a dupe for it. And I comb it through. Now I went ahead and sectioned my hair. I parted it and put half of it up there. I'm gonna take some of the multicultural curls, dab it on, rub it through my hands, focusing all throughout the hair, specifically on the ends. Then what I like to do is just do that on one side and go ahead and do it on the other side. Okay, I'm also going to add some of the jelly soft curls. Focusing on the ends. So once I put in the product, what I like to do is I section my hair off, run my fingers through it, and this is called the rake and shake, because you rake through, you shake the curls, and I just kind of like curl the ends a little bit with my fingers, and that's it. Just leave that alone. Do the same to the others, all the other sections. Rake and shake. Okay? And then same with my ends, just kind of twirl it a little bit. And that's it. Then I just like scrunch. Add a little bit of the jelly soft curls. And scrunch. Hear that squishing noise? That's what you want to hear. Now for the last part, which is the hair in the front of my head, what I do is I grab extra hair products and I run it through each individual strand, grab my brush, and comb it towards my face to create a curl. And then I'm going to go ahead and split it right here and then twirl the ends with my fingers to create a curl. This step, I do it all throughout the front of my head. And trust me, I know it sounds very tedious and time consuming, but it is worth it. If you do these steps on wash day, it will determine if you will have a lot of frizz throughout the week, and also my hair stays intact. I don't have to do much throughout the week. This styling way of styling my hair has worked for me. So just continue doing this for each individual strand on the front of the hair, and then that's it. The next process will be blow drying your hair. Okay, now that I got to like the very front, still what I do is continue sectioning, clip off, get my jelly soft curls, focus first on my ends and then work my way up, and then with my brush, just like twirl it towards the front of my face, kind of shake it up. Then with my fingers towards the end, I just kind of form the curl, push it back. Okay? I continuously do that to the front of my hair. And I look absolutely crazy, but I like to do this because it gives me, you know, volume, a little bit of volume. I have a lot of hair anyways, so some people prefer volume, some people prefer definition. I don't know, I like some volume, like not extremely amount of volume, because throughout the week my hair gets volume anyways, but I like to have more definition. But you know, whatever works for you and your hair type. Okay, I'm gonna have this last bit. So I just like, this part is like, for me, for some reason, the hardest part. But what I do is I just like kind of like flip this over like that. Kind of like, then just like finger coil the hair, specifically the ends, and that's it. Do the same with this part, split this part. Hair's gonna do whatever it wants it to do. So push it back. This little hair right here. And then this little piece, I'll put a little bit of gel. Just curl the ends and push it back. Okay, and that's it for this step, and then the next thing. So this step is optional. What I do, I grab little clips such as these and just clip them onto my root. I don't do this all the time. If I'm in a rush, I don't do it, but I'm gonna do it this time. I just like clip it like that. I like to give a little bit more volume in the front. And right now it looks crazy, but trust me, it will look good. So now we're going to flip on that side. And I just put a few. Okay, one more. All right, so I do that to give it volume. Now, like I mentioned, I'm gonna take my Not Your Mother's All Eyes on Me 10-in-1 hair perfector and spritz it over the hair. Get it on the ends. Okay, some people would wait a few minutes to diffuse, but I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse. I'm gonna get my Dyson hair diffuser and diffuse. Okay, so for what I like to do is I like to do the hover method for a little bit, specifically on the roots, because the roots are the last to dry. The ends are the first to dry, and I don't want to concentrate on the ends to get them frizzy. So I'm gonna show you what I do. I'm gonna fast forward through this part, and yeah, and I'll show you. Okay, so now after like hovering over my hair for a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the clips slowly. I know it's gonna leave kind of like a little bit of an indentation, but that'll be fixed. Put my hair. So now I'm going to turn on my Dyson. I put at the lowest heat setting and the lowest fan setting, and I just flip my hair back and forth, flip it over until it's at least like a 80% dry, 80 to 90. You don't want to like dry the ends too much, like I said. And that's it, and then you're done. You can add a little bit of oil and break the cast if you want later. I don't break the cast because I like cold, and it softens throughout the week. Okay. So at this point, my hair is a good 80% dry. I don't break the cast. I let my hair run its course throughout the week, because if I break the cast, I don't want it getting frizzy quickly throughout the week. So it starts to soften up, excuse me. So if you want to, at this point, you could break the cast, get some oil and break it, or just let it be. But this is my hair routine. So, yep, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy, and stay tuned for more weekly videos. If you like this, please comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys next week. Bye.